Hi, so today we'll be making turkey burgers. So to begin, I'm going to take some butter, put it in our pan. That way we can toast our bun. Don't need much, just enough to coat the pan, and then we'll go from there. That should be enough. So to be a little bit healthier, we're going with turkey since that's a leaner meat, and whole wheat buns. Better for you, and they still taste good. So we're just going for just a nice light golden color on the buns. Should take no more than maybe 30 seconds. But while that's going, in our turkey mixture, we're gonna add garlic, ground sage, Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper. And our buns already have a nice little brown color to them, and they're nice and warm, so we'll put them to the side, and we'll go ahead and mix our turkey mixture with all the spices and herbs in there. You want to make sure you thoroughly mix this, that way the flavor is in every bite. And get rid of this glove. And I have a scoop here so we get even sizes each time. We'll just take one scoop, make sure this is still warm. And you can go ahead and add the rest of this butter in actually, that way it helps with cooking. Since turkey is a lean meat, there's not much fat. Definitely want some fat in there to help with flavor and just overall with cooking. There we go. And I have this on a medium heat. So now we can go ahead and drop our turkey burgers in there. And you want to press down on them. That way they're not like giant hockey pucks or anything. You want them to cook evenly, nice and flat. So we'll give that about 2 minutes to cook, and then we'll flip it. And it already smells so good, and it's not even done yet. Now we'll go ahead and flip the patty over. And if it helps, you can cook it on the stove, or once you get a nice sear, take the whole pan, as long as it's oven safe, put it in the oven and finish in there. That way everything just cooks thoroughly. These are starting to come together, so we'll just flip this over one more time to make sure it's evenly cooked. And our burger should be ready in just a few minutes. Now, while we're waiting for our burgers to finish cooking, if you have any leftover meat, you can go ahead and cook more burgers, or just freeze it and save it for another time. So with that being said, we'll move this out of the way to prepare for our burger. So on your burger, you can put lettuce, tomato, onions, ketchup, mayo, whatever you may like. In this case, we just have some chipotle mayo, some tomatoes and onions. Now, since our burger is almost ready, people tend to get worried about, salmonella, or like with chicken or anything of that nature, just any foodborne illness. And that's why a thermometer comes in handy a lot, because once you cook it to 165, you know it's safe to eat. So, I'm gonna go ahead and check the temp of one of these burgers. And we're almost there. We're at 160, so in about another minute, these will be ready. Now you don't want to press too hard, or else you'll squeeze all of the juices out, and then that'll leave you with a dry burger. So I'm just lightly touching it just to see how done it is from there. Burgers seem like they're done, so let's check the temp. And we are safe to eat this. So now we'll take our burger, place it on a nicely toasted bun, some fresh tomato, some nice freshly cut onions, and there you go. A nice whole wheat turkey burger. And again, you can serve this with any condiments of your pleasing, which could be mayo, ketchup. This works well with a nice side salad, just whatever you would like.